Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you here how you set margins, and this is going to be about to help you through the progress that is really about to give you here everything that is about that one. First of all, what you're gonna do is about for this video to set margins is about to start to add here certain thing like margins options on the Figma or a plugin that it can help you to create margins. So that is about here to type margins. Then as you can see, I have just added a plugin before, which is really this one. You can actually use it, but you first select a layer. Once you select a layer, you should start to have a layer with a parent frame. You can actually add here a certain shape like rectangle that is like this. Now you can see you can actually start to have a certain margin. You can start to change this one over the positions, or maybe you can see the width and the height. And that is all about to help you